olive oil or? A little bit? A little bit of this oil?
Enough to cover the bottom. Go ahead and let it get hot.
It's date night.
Yeah. Show them all you put it out.
Yeah.
And now she's a professional now.
Yeah, long shot.
Ooh, check it out. So we have Tiffany in the kitchen stepping it up for the family. Yeah, you see mommy stepping it up.
Tonight is date night, and we love date night. It's just that time we spend together. Away from the children. Just take them to watch a show or something and just have some time together. I'll set them to bed. But it's dinner time now, so we're going to feed them after dinner. After we finish cooking, we'll feed them. And then we'll have a date night together away from everybody. Alexandra.
Alexandra, I'm so proud of her.
Say hello. Let me say hello.
Say hello. Say hello.
Come on. She's growing.
Yeah.
Hey, good night. How are you? What's up? You want to go over this stuff?
Wow, there we go. Yeah. Careful, baby. Gotta be careful. Grease popping, fire.
Next splatter on my face.
Yeah, I see you. What do you see? No. Hit the bacon in and then hit the oven. Whoa.
It's been a while. It's been a while that we filmed together like this. It's been so long. You know, it's been months. And, you know, Dan's been very busy. In March where I can get him in the film, so I've been taking my time as well to just take care of these children. And now that school is out, I'm pretty excited. I get to spend more time with them, and all of that, which I'm excited, looking forward to. I'm doing a lot of cooking and baking. Yeah.
Yeah.
And Dan definitely going to make some bread, homemade bread.
Mm-hmm.
So you need to see those recipes because I'm not a bread person. I don't like bread that much. And Dan is a bread person. And we kind of think about it, why not just make bread more consistently? We have been making bread, but not consistently. So now we go and do that and bake a lot more bread.
Yeah, not too much.
Not too much,
I have to
no.
control my waistline though. So I'm going to put on my evening jacket at night.
I'm doing some chicken for the children. I don't even know what to call it. So like, kind of, I would say fried. You say sear it.
Well,
What do you call it?
you sear it first and
Yeah, a
you
little
finish it in
bit.
the oven. So
Yeah. And
it's
then
roasted chicken.
with some time. Oh, you call it roasted chicken.
Yeah, it's roasted chicken.
Yeah, some oven chicken.
Mm.
And then Dan, I could do some fish.
Yeah, some
What is it?
codfish.
Oh, yeah, some codfish and
Same
the
cooking method.
potato.
Yeah, and some kind of a mock Vesuvio potatoes.
And we're going to have string beans.
Oh yeah, the string beans.
Making zucchini as well. So a lot of vegetable. I love zucchini and I'm getting into it. And
I like zucchini as well.
You do?
I didn't use the eggplant. The eggplant was not good.
She said hello.
Oh, you're back. They're safe. There's a lot of wildness going on across the U.S. I think Christians and believers should be doing Matthew 18:19 a lot more. That's binding and loosing. Bind up the things in your neighborhood, and you know, if everybody binding up stuff in their neighborhood, you know, that'll cover the whole U.S. So it's bind and loose. You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, we're just going to be praying a lot. I've done more now, so I can get to film as well because then I'm going to give me time.
Yeah, I don't know how much you can take of me. I mean,
And so, in giving time, never use it all. Just have a use up in time as much as we can. You know, Alexandra gotten so busy. It's like,
oh, busy is not the
Oh my
accurate
God.
description.
so she's learning her colors.
Now she said yellow.
Say yellow. Yellow. She's learning colors, shapes, her numbers, her alphabet. So she's just there, and we teach her every day. Like P, not P, yellow. Okay, I'm going to cut a bit. My sister calling me.
From Jimmy.
Go on. Perfume here. This is by the company Dacia, and I really like their scents. I really like it. Six perfume, and these perfume are good quality. I do like their product, and I keep saying yes to more because trust me, it's really good. And so I have quite a few here. And this one, some of them are man one. I think I picked out 2 for Dawn. And for this scent, this one is Foreger Pink Pepper. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And this one is inspired by Gucci Guilty. And I'm going to test it out and see how it smells. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Now, this one smells so good. I think I'm going to stick with this one tonight. And this one is Foreger Pink Pepper. And it have on here all the ingredients, what's in it. And this one is pink pepper, lemon, neroli. And you have orange blossom, lavender, and amber, and cedarwood. This one smells really good. I'm going to use this one. And I can't remember if this one is for the man or it's for the woman. But anyway, this smells so good and it's not overpowering. For me, I can't handle strong scents. I really can't. And I can't do strong perfumes. So I prefer something a bit subtle. And this one, so the first one who opened, this really smells good. And I think I'm going to use this one tonight for the date night. And I'm not sure if this is the man one. I'm really not sure because I'm not familiar with the original Gucci Guilty. You can comment down below and let me know. For this one, it's inspired by Dior Savage. This is the one. This is the one I really want to try. And let's go ahead. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No, I can't tell. This one. This one. You know what, I'm going to leave the Gucci one. I'm not going to use it, and I'm going to use the Dior what is it, and I'm going to use the Dior Savage. This one, it smells so good. I'm just going to go ahead and spray it now so Dan can smell me and say, Tiffany, yeah, go on with your thing, man, go on with your thing. Okay, you know you want to smell good when you're on your date night, and you know, it's just setting the mood. It's setting the mood. So this one, I love it. This is my absolute favorite so far. And I like the Gucci. Getting all these good scents, you know, inspired by all these brands for a fraction of the price. So you can't go bad with that one. This one is inspired by Dior J'adore. But I love the Savage. I love it. You know, I'm going to go out and get the real one because it smells so good. Oh, this, oh my gosh, I want to sneeze. Now this one is a bit too strong for me. I can't use this one. Hold 1 minute. This one, it's, oh, Victor and Wolf Flower Balm. Oh yeah, it's too much. Really like their packaging as well, and the little card note to explain everything, all the scents that's in it, and you know what it's inspired by, and a bit of thank you, how it works, and also concentration, which is 12%. And you know, you get to see all the ingredients and what's in it, and you see it on their website as well, so you can choose if you don't like, you know, certain scents like flowery and all of that. Inspired by Ralph Lauren, Polar Blue. So yeah, it's kind of the same thing, and I know what they smell like. So yeah, the packaging is so simple, the bottle is so simple, and I love that about it. I just love it. It's just clear and nice and not too much excitement. For me, I can't do it. It's going to mess with my allergy. I'm going to sneeze and it's not going to be good because right now my nose is burning from one of the perfume. I think it was, yeah, the Dior J'adore. So if you like strong perfume, it's okay. And this one is the Gucci one that I like as well, and it's not strong. It's not strong and it's not overpowering. I'm going to leave all your information description box down below. You know, it's date night, you have to smell good, which every night you have to smell good and keep a proper hygiene. And for me, I like just everything simple when it comes to perfume. I don't like too much perfume. I'm good with like 2. I'm not like a person that's crazy over perfume. 2 is enough. I'm more crazy over body splash, but perfume, if I'm using it, I like 1 or 2, no more than 3 or 4. But I love these, and so especially those 2 that I told you about, and that one, it's burning my nose now, so I'm going to sort that out, and let's see if Dan can smell it. Yeah, because I'm smelling that sweet scent. It smells so good. So I'm going to go ahead and have our date night. And as I said, nothing much. I mean, just make it simple. Just have a little time with your lover, and just have a time with your spouse, and just a time with God, because we love to talk a lot about God and what he has done for us. So thank you guys. So let me go have my dinner and go on my date night. So this our date night is not much. We just eat and just spend time together, which is beautiful, right?
So
Yeah. Oh, you didn't smell the perfume. Smell it. My battery's dying.
Yeah, it smells like what it smells like.
It's the Dior Savage.
Oh, okay.
It smells really good. So, do you like it? Do you approve?
Yeah, I
of
do.
it?
It's real. It's floral to me,
Yeah.
and real light. It's not overpowering.
That's what. Yeah. So that's what I was telling them. This one is my absolute favorite, and I like the Gucci Guilty.
Oh, yeah.
But I love this one because it's not strong, and I can't manage a strong perfume. I sprayed one and it was terrible. But yeah, we're just going to finish off in our dinner and just spend some time. Alexandra is sleeping, and
Yeah, she's out like a light.
we're just going to spend a bit of time and eat, watch a movie, and all of that. Yeah. So we just get a bit comfy. And I don't like to eat on camera. I know someone asked me, Tiffany, why you cover your mouth when you're eating? It's just that it's just being polite. I don't like to eat and talk, or, you know, so I'm on camera, so I'm going to cover my mouth. Sometimes it's okay.
I understand.